Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Debbie and I'm back again with another video guys. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a proper way of preparing your coconut fried rice. Okay, so continue watching, and if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. So first of all, we're going to be frying our onion. And then we'll go in with red bell peppers. We continue to fry. After that, we go in with our already washed rice. You guys, I did not parboil this rice. What I did was I poured hot water on it and allow it to stay for a while. Then I wash it, and then I begin to fry it like this. Okay, so guys, you don't need to parboil your rice, you just pour in hot water and continue to fry. Make sure you fry until it's dried. The reason why I'm taking this process is I don't want my rice to come in moist. I want it to come out separate. So that is the reason why I'm frying it to be on a dry stage like this. Okay, so after that I will then go ahead and pour in my coconut milk. So guys, I'm using this coconut can milk. If you want, you can use your own homemade coconut milk. Then I went ahead to pour in my chicken sauce. Then I went ahead to pour in my fresh green peas. The reason why I'm cooking it with this rice is because I want it to be soft when the rice is cooked. Then I pour in a little water. After that, I cover it and allow it to cook. So guys, my rice is well cooked. As you can see, the rice is well cooked. The grains are separately. They are not coming together. So if you want your rice to come out this way, then you have to follow the step that I did. So guys, now it's time to fry the veggies. So first of all, go in with our sausage. And then we'll continue to fry. So guys, my sausage is well fried now. I use the chicken sticks, sausage, in the same pot. I fried my onion, then I pour in my garlic and ginger and I continue to fry. Garlic and ginger is a very important ingredient, guys. I went ahead to pour in my carrots, and then my sweet corn, and I continue to fry. And then I pour in my fried sausage. You guys, this is the point where you can pour in your shrimps, your liver, and your chicken if you have. Then I pour in my green pepper and I also continue to fry. Then I went ahead to season my veggies now. So guys, if you notice at the initial start of this video, I didn't pour any sauce seasoning in my rice. That was because my meat is well seasoned. So because of the sauce, I didn't pour any seasoning. Then I pour in my rice. So guys, this is the point where you have to diligently do your work of frying, okay? Make sure you fry your rice very well so that it can stay for long, it can last for long without getting sour. Can you guys just see the beautiful grains of this rice? This rice is so perfect, so perfect. So if you want to get your rice as perfect as this, you guys, you have to start the way I started preparing this rice. No jokes, you will get it perfect. So guys, after frying the rice, this rice is well fried. Then I went ahead to pour in my spring onion and then I continued to fry. So guys, this is the time to pour in your salt. If you feel your salt is not okay, this is the time to add in your salt. So guys, this is also the time to pour in your coconut powder flavors or your liquid flavors so that it will give you that coconut flavor. Okay, but because I didn't see any to buy, I wasn't able to pour it in this video. Okay, but if you have yours, you can do that and it will give you that coconut aroma. So guys, if you're here and you've watched up to this moment, I really do appreciate your support. And if you're here and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please guys support me by subscribing to my channel, and please turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos you will be notified. So thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video.